Hello friends, my name is Mohit Mangal. In this video, today I'm going to talk to you all about performing arts education in India. I will talk to you about the qualities which a candidate should possess who wish to join performing arts, degree options available in India. I will talk to you about the eligibility criteria for various courses, entrance exams at national level, and I will talk to you about the professions which one can join after finishing a degree course in performing arts. Starting with the quality check for the candidate, one needs to be a very strongly creative or a practical oriented child. The candidate should be good with any form of performance, be it dance, acting, or singing, which also is known as music. One should have good physical stamina, good presentation skills, good observation power, and attentiveness to details. And the candidate should have the ability to spend long hours in practicing the specific form of art which one wants to get into. The degree options available in India include BFA, that is Bachelor of Fine Arts, which will further have various specializations. Same Bachelor of Performing Arts with various specializations, Bachelor in Arts, Bachelor in Arts in Honors, and Bachelor of Music or Bachelor of Dance. As I shared with you, primarily there are three forms of performing arts, which include dancing, singing, and acting. So there will be a lot of different types of dances, different types of singing, different types of acting, which can be available as specialization with any of these degree programs. By and large, the eligibility criteria for most of these degree programs would be 10+2 from any stream, be it science or commerce or arts. Most institutes who offer admissions in the performing art courses assess the candidate on their skill by conducting a skill assessment in the respective form of art they wish to take admission in. BHU has its own entrance exam, Christ University has its own entrance, MSU Baroda has its own entrance, AU has its own entrance, then Lalit Kala Kendra has its own entrance exam. These are some of the top entrance exams which one can give after grade 12 to get into the respective form of performing art. The professions which one can get into include becoming an actor or an actress, choreographer, composer, dancer, director, dramatist, musician. One can be a screenwriter, singer, talent manager, theatre artist, trainer, or a vocalist. All these options are available as professions. I hope this video gives you some insight about performing art as a course and profession in India. In case you have any questions related to this, please feel free to write in the comment section below. I'll be happy to answer.
To know about the best colleges in India along with their rankings, you can pick up a career handbook related to this vertical from www.mohitmangal.com. You can also connect with us for personal career counseling. You can speak to my office at 7600 You can connect with me on social media at Facebook, LinkedIn, Instagram, or YouTube. My ID is IQUEMOHIT. Thank you.